Alrighty, good morning guys. Well, it's been a while since I've done any long form content here, just been hitting the shorts hard. But I did the short of the scrapyard seats. I thought I'd bring you along on putting them in the old brown pickup and doing some, old brown sugar over here. Doing some upgrades on old brown sugar. So, here's what we're working with. We got the original bench seat in here, or whatever it is. And it's a pretty good mess up in here. Pretty good mess. Gonna try to pull this all out today. Clean the pickup up, vacuum it out, clean her up good. Get that looking nice in there, and then maybe start building some brackets for the new scrapyard seats. So, scrapyard seats are out of a 2002 Subaru Outback Legacy. Here they are. Pretty nice looking seats. This morning I spent a few minutes and determined these are the two power wires for the electronic seat control on the driver's side. Not quite sure what that plug is, but don't need it. And then over here on this seat, we just have manual adjustments all the way around. I think there's some airbag and seat sensor stuff, but obviously on Old Brown Sugar, we're not worried about that. So, let's come back out here, pull the truck forward. Yeah. It's bright outside, like really bright. Like really, really bright. Get this out of the way. Get the jack out of the way. See how she starts. Oh, the other thing is, a couple months ago, the parking brake came off while it was by a log pile, and now the door's under rubs. So, if we can get that fixed today, I'd like to get that fixed today. Close that door. Let's pull it forward so we can get a chance to plug it in, and then I'll do a time lapse of starting to empty this thing out and clean it. Let's see her start. Come on, focus. Aha. Sure love that Holly Sniper we put in here. Man, this thing runs like a top. Like it just purrs like a kitten. So yeah, we can get some time lapse going and maybe cleaning this thing out. Yep, there we go. Parked here in front of the shop. And then on more project land, parts are ordered for the 1000. Everything's nice and ordered. Got the clutch all pulled out. There's one of the clutches. There's the diamond drive. Got to finish cleaning up some stuff, but that's another video. Yeah, got the other clutch back on the table back here. I'll just show it to you real fast. Yep, here's the primary clutch, and got all tore down, and this particular flyweight was seized up and not moving. They should move like that, and that one was seized up. So, got parts ordered for that, so hopefully that'll be up and going. Maybe I'll even do a video on assembling. I didn't do a video tearing it down, so yeah, I'm gonna get the here's the shop vac. Somewhere in here there's a shop vac. Start vacuuming the truck out, clean her up. Oh yeah, there the shop vac is. Shop vac! Anyways, we will go get this hooked up to some power and get the truck cleaned out. Alrighty. Alrighty guys, well that went really good. Got the seat pulled out. I'm just gonna wait for Dad. He said he's coming out here in a while to give me a hand, so he'll help get the seat out. Pick it out so we don't tear the floor up. The floor is actually in really good shape in this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but vacuumed a little bit and it cleaned up real nice. So I'm gonna go ahead, once the seat's out, we'll clean real good under the seat, round the seat, you know, the standard cleanup, make it look nice. Then we'll start figuring out how we're going to, wow, out of breath all of a sudden, figuring out how we're gonna go mount the new seats in there. So, other thing that I think would be really cool too while we're doing this, because we're gonna have to build a center console because there's gonna be no center seat, is I have this old, what is it, Pioneer Matrix radio. I think it'd be fun to throw that in there with a couple speakers. I know I have some speakers around here. So yeah, that is where we are at on Old Brown Sugar. I will start the video again when Dad's out here and we're doing stuff. Yes, I think that's right, 3.5.
3.5.
Say hi, Dad.
Say hi, Dad.
Anyway, so we are just finishing the mocking up of the seat. We're gonna use some 1-inch square tubing across the front here, and then a bracket to come down and mount it to the frame off the square tubing. Probably just do one in the center, or we might do one on each side. We'll see how it comes out. This side over here, oh, let me walk around, I can't really show you. Anyways, this is the right height to where we want it. You can see your center line of the seat, center with the steering wheel. So it's all good, we got the spacing right. We're gonna come around here to this side. The factory bracket here had a flat spot on the bottom, so we just drilled a hole and we're able to reuse one of the old bolts, which actually was pretty crazy because everything lined up. It's like it's meant to be. So that's gonna work out good. Still have room back here, enough room to lean the seat back, go forward and backwards. So I need to charge the camera for a while. It's almost dead. I'll work on making a bracket and come back to you once that bracket's all fabricated up. Anyway, so I'll do a little update working on the bracket here. Got everything marked out. Gonna drill and tap a, I believe it's 9 3/8 hole. So mount on the front part of the seats. So I'll have to make 2 of these. So this will mount up in here like so. We'll drill and tap some holes in there, and then we'll figure out the rest. Dad's working on figuring out the rest of the brackets as it is. Now he's hiding from the camera. You're running from the camera?
Yes.
Anyhow, we are Well, anyways, we're just finishing up the seat for today. We might work on the other one a little bit, but that'll be it for this video. We got it mounted, got the stuff painted. Looks pretty good.